Episode 1. Welcome to Elzero Sparks. Welcome to Elzero Sparks, where your journey into the world of technology begins with just one spark. Whether you're 13 or 73, curious or committed, tech-savvy or just starting out, you're in the right place. Because here at Elzero Technology School, we believe that technology is for everyone. And we're here to help you light up your path, step by step. So what is Elzero Sparks? It's more than just a series. It's your personal invitation to unlock the tech world with simplicity, with clarity, and with real passion. In this series, we'll explore everything from the foundations of programming, to the minds behind the machines, to the tools that power the future. But this isn't just about writing code. It's about building confidence, developing problem-solving skills, and learning how to think like a creator, not just a consumer. We're not here to overwhelm you with jargon. We're here to demystify technology, to make it friendly, fun, and fearless every week. We'll spark something new. Maybe it's your first line of HTML. Maybe it's your first time understanding how the internet works. Maybe it's your first successful project. Or maybe it's the first time you feel like you truly belong in tech. But before we jump in, let's make a deal. You bring your curiosity, and we'll bring the clarity. No fancy degrees required. No limits, no pressure. Just one simple idea. If you can dream it, you can build it. So grab your notebook, open your mind, and get ready to spark something amazing. Coming up in episode 2, we'll break down exactly what the internet is and how it really works in a way that even your grandma could explain at the dinner table. Thanks for watching. This is Elzero Sparks, and your tech journey is just getting started. Let's light it up.